Deepa. Do you want to be strong but slim?
It's possible with sprouts.
Yeah, today we are going to see 3 recipes using the sprouts.
It can be made in few minutes.
The very first recipe with the sprouts is sprouts paneer cutlet. The ingredients that you need for it is
1 cup of sprouts, salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, half a cup of paneer, chopped cilantro, and oil. Transfer the sprouts, chilies, garlic cloves, garam masala, salt into a blender. Grind it into a coarse paste.
Now to this we are going to add kids' favorite paneer and then some cilantro and make it into a patties.
Heat some oil in a pan and then add in the patties. The golden brown color looks so amazing. The second recipe we have is a sweet recipe. It's sprouts panara. For this we'll need
1 cup of sprouts, ghee, 1/4 cup of black jaggery syrup and 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut.
For sprouts panara, I'm gonna add 1 cup of sprouts into my blender and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and blend it into a fine batter.
Here we have some black jaggery syrup. Take 1/4 cup of black jaggery with 1/4 cup of water and melt it in a stove. Now it's been well ground. Let's transfer it into the bowl.
Add in the black jaggery syrup to the fine batter.
And then the coconut. And mix it well. Add ghee into the paniyaram pan. And once heated, add in the mixed sweet batter into it.
After 2 to 3 minutes, flip them over to cook on the other side. Soft and sweet panarams are ready to serve.
Finally, we are going to make sprouts gamasho. Gamasho is a Japanese dressing. Let's take a look into the ingredients.
1 cup of sprouts, 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gamache is so simple to make. Just grind the roasted sesame seeds and the salt into a fine powder.
This gamasho can be used in lots of recipes and today we are going to use in sprouts. It's going to be so refreshing when you eat it. Now it's been ground into a fine powder. All we have to do is add a cup of sprouts.
Then add the gamasho in it.
And mix it well.
If you want, you can add a tint of lemon juice for tanginess.
Sprouts gamasho is ready.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel.